Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the Google TV device. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Alright, so now you have to understand that the Google TV device is a TV box. In this case, you would not be able to turn it off directly. However, there are different things you could do. So first is to go to settings, that is to restart the device. So you could hop over to the top bar and navigate over to quick settings. From quick settings, just go to all settings and navigate to system. Under system, you're going to find at the bottom of the screen restart. So you could restart this device from here. That's going to turn it off and turn it on in case you want to reboot the device and make some functionality to work. But aside from that, you don't find a power off or turn off device button anywhere there. The second option is going to be returning the device to the slideshow mode or turning it to screensaver. So just go back on your remote and go back again. When you're home, go back and that'll bring you to this screensaver. It reduces the background processes and those functionalities while keeping some of them active depending on what you set. And in this state, your device is going to be more efficient with power, and if that's the objective, then this will work. However, if you want to turn off your device entirely, I recommend the only option you have is to shut it down by removing it from the power supply. So cut off power supply and your device will turn off. That's basically the only way to surely cut off it from internet, cut it off from every process by switching it off. So that's all I have for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.